What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve this trigonometric equation, and it's cosine theta plus 1 equals to sine theta, and I need to solve it from 0 to 2 pi. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to square both sides of this equation. So I'm going to have cosine theta plus 1 squared equals to sine squared theta. Then you expand it, it's going to be cosine squared theta plus 2 cosine theta plus 1. And here, since all of them are cosine in here, I'm going to change sine squared theta to 1 minus cosine squared theta. Then I move it to the other side. It's going to be 2 cosine squared theta plus 2 cosine theta. 1 and 1 cancel out. It's going to be 0. Then I factor 2 cosine theta. It's going to be cosine theta plus 1 equals to 0. Then we have two situations, cosine theta equals to 0 or cosine theta plus 1 equals to 0, so which means that cosine theta equals to negative 1. Cosine theta is 0 when theta is pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. And cosine theta equals to negative 1 when it is pi. However, since we squared both sides, we need to check these three answers. I'm going to check pi over 2. We have cosine pi over 2 plus 1 equals to sine pi over 2. That's going to be 0 plus 1 equals to 1, so that works. 3 pi over 2 is going to be cosine 3 pi over 2 plus 1 equals to sine 3 pi over 2. That's going to be 0 plus 1 equals to negative 1, so that doesn't work. And pi, it's going to be cosine pi plus 1 equals to sine pi. That's going to be negative 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So that one works as well. So the two answers we have is pi over 2 and pi from 0 to 2 pi. So it's going to be pi over 2 plus 2n pi. And here we have pi plus 2n pi. So basically these two is going to be the general solution to this equation. General solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and other topics in math, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.